One of the reasons redbuds are called redbuds is commonly in nature, you're going to see redbuds with redbuds, but they're also whitebud redbuds. And this is one of my favorites. And botanically, it's known as Cercis canadensis alba, the pure white form. Beautiful, showy tree. And a common feature of some of the redbuds is that the buds will open right on the trunk, up and down the trunk. That's a common thing that happens with redbuds. There's different varieties of redbuds that you can plant. You can plant the native one. It's called Cercis canadensis. You'll see it growing in nature, but they have come up with new hybrid redbuds. Not green foliage, but maybe purple foliage or pink foliage. Two of my favorites, one is Rising Sun. It'll get maybe 10 feet after 10 years, and it has beautiful yellow foliage at the tips of every stem. Another one is called Flamethrower, and it looks just like a flamethrower. So internally on the foliage, it's going to be more of a shade of green, but it turns into a fiery orange, just like a flamethrower. Great new plants to add to your garden. Some redbuds will get pretty big, like this one here. This is 35 years old. One of the things you can do is sort of open up the middle of the tree so you can see through it. When you're pruning, always cut back to a side branch. If you leave a stub, it's very difficult for the redbud to heal over that. And one of the nicest things that I like with redbuds, look at these beautiful clusters of flowers up and down the main limbs and trunk. Consider planting a redbud in your own garden. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.
Email your garden questions to Viette@viette.com.